Let's make shrimp and grits. So for today's shrimp and grits, we're gonna be using pumfu. We got our quick grits, vegan Parmesan, and Land O'Lakes plant-based butter. Alright, so I'm gonna begin to chop up our pumfu, guys. So this is the pumfu that I'm gonna be using, and we're gonna be veganizing shrimp and grits. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna cut these down into size and try to make a shape of a shrimp. How many of you guys purchase those vegan shrimps? Alright, guys, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with them, but if you look at the back, it has so much sodium, guys. So I was able to recreate shrimp using pumfu, guys. Pumfu has no sodium, and it's made with filtered water, and it's pumpkin seeds, guys. You can't go wrong with that. All right, guys, so as you can see, I created my shrimp, and I know you guys are like, why he has beet powder? Well, the beet powder is to give it that pink color, so when I fry it, it could resemble shrimp, guys. You know, I had to go all the way. So now we're gonna add in our beet powder, our seaweed seasoning, and we're gonna add the water to mix it. So this is a marinate for our pumfu shrimps, guys. All right, guys, so you're gonna follow this video and do the same thing. You don't have to go all out and use the beet, but just use that seaweed and get it to have that fishiness that it needs, so it could taste and smell just like shrimps. All right, guys, as you can see, look, turn nice and pink. All right, so now we could start to add it to the flour, so we could begin to fry this beautiful, look at the shrimp, look at that. You can't tell me that you can't trick nobody with this beautiful pumfu shrimp. All right, guys, normally when I'm frying, I always do a double dip. All right, I'll dip it one time in the flour mix, and then I'll go ahead and put it right back into the liquid mix and do it twice at least, so we can have that nice crispy layer to resemble our shrimp. All right, guys. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe and share my videos so these recipes can go all over the world. So after frying my pumfu shrimps, I'm gonna add it to this plate, and look at that, guys. You can't tell me those are not shrimps. We could really trip somebody, guys. Come on. So we're gonna just begin to fry the rest and get this party started and create this delicious cheesy grits. Alright, family. So we're gonna add in our milk. The recipe is in the description below, guys. A lot of you already know how to make cheesy grits. All right, guys, just follow the instructions on the back of the box, or just Google it, guys. Sometimes if you don't want to check, just Google it. So we're gonna add everything in, and now we added our grits. Now we're gonna add in our butter. All right, guys, look at that, so delicious, guys. So we're gonna mix that in nice and slow. All right, guys, because we don't want this to get thick. We want it to stay nice and creamy. Now we're gonna add our Daya cheese. All right, guys, it smells amazing. It's so delicious, guys. You have to try this out. A lot of you already know how to make it, and I'm adding some garlic paste, guys, because I don't want the chunks of garlic in my mouth. So I added a garlic paste. You could buy at Aldi's for like $1.99. You can't go wrong. Look at that. Look how cheesy and delicious. And you know I had to add the Parmesan cheese, guys, because we're making cheesy grits. All right, we're making shrimp and cheesy grits, so we have to go out with a bang. I'm sipping on that lean, guys. You already know I'm plating this nicely for you guys because we're about to tear this baby up. You know what I mean?